Welcome to the ZyLab eDiscovery Legal Review Search Series, Complex Queries. Complex search queries contain multiple operators and/or wildcards or other search methods. This session will describe some examples and considerations when combining search techniques using hyphenated text, using the not operator, and the Boolean context negated sequence. ZyLab supports a number of effective search techniques which are covered in more detail in separate training sessions. Many of these search techniques can be combined to form more complex queries. Some examples of valid complex queries as well as invalid queries will be explained in the following screens. A valuable search technique is to combine a term or phrase with a field search. In this example, the reviewer is looking for all documents with the term discovery where the name Betty Bradley is in the field custodian. In addition, multiple fields can be combined in a single query. In this example, the fields email sent time, email to, and email from are used to find all emails that were sent or received by a particular person between a period of time January 1st, 2017 and June 30th, 2017 that contain the word discovery. Here are some additional examples of complex search queries using various search techniques. In this query, files containing at least one word starting with O, P, or CONST would be returned. The files may contain the words other, often, out, process, procedure, constitution, constitute, or constant, but these words will not be highlighted. This example combines two separate query searches as well as the use of keywords, Boolean queries, or wildcard searches. This example shows a keyword contract plus the Boolean and, followed by a quorum search containing a list of words including Boolean queries and wildcard searches. This proximity search example includes multiple within operators as well as wildcards. This query uses the to operator along with the Boolean operators and number searches. Hyphenated terms are given the same token ID and therefore searched as one term. In the sample text, left-right and left-apple-right have single token IDs and would be treated as single terms. The to operator allows you to search for terms that occur between two defined terms. In reviewing the example query, the intended result is to find the word apple between the words left and right. Here are the results of the query. Because both left and right tokens in left-right text are the same token, and so are the left and right tokens in the left-apple-right text, the query will return the term apple and the term left apple right. In this example, first the term pie is matched at position 3, then at position 2 banana is matched. Next, not apple is matched with fresh at position 1. In this case, apple will be skipped. In the second example, the first term pie is matched at position 3, then at position 2 we will find banana, but that does not match the query not banana, therefore no results are returned. Since you may not know up front if a combination of words is hyphenated, it is advised to try a different combination of search queries when you suspect a hyphen word may be part of the result. If a word or combination of words you are searching for contains a hyphen, that word will often be found even if you did not include a hyphen in your search query. For example, when you search for email as one word or e-mail, it will also find the hyphenated version. However, if search e-mail, it will not find the term email as a single word or the other way around. The processing rules for the not operator differ depending on the context in which it is used. Nevertheless, the not operator can be used several times in both a Boolean and positional context in a single query. For example, not green and not black tea, in which the first not is used as a positional context and the second not is used in a Boolean context. The following are some additional sample queries of how to use the not operator. Nested not queries or consecutive not operators will result in an error and not produce results. The following syntax represents a sequence query containing a number of negated terms followed by a positive term. Consider the query not banana, not orange, apple. The intent of the query is to find the word apple with two terms preceding it that can be anything but banana and orange. Here is an example of what the query would return. Note that although the term orange appears in the document, because it does not fall within the queried sequence, the document is returned as a hit. The following is an example of a sequence query containing a number of trailing negated terms preceded by a positive term. Consider the query good, not red, not blue. The intent of the query is to find the word good followed by two terms that can be anything but red or blue. The query would return results as follows. Notice that the term good is followed by two additional terms, none of which are red or blue. This concludes the session on complex search queries.